Even the World Health Organization, the ogbonge joint body of health for this whole world, wetin they talk yesterday, they talk say Senegal and Nigeria don't tie Ebola, don't pack Ebola, and don't pursue and come up for the country.
You
sabi pass World Health Organization.
World Health Organization don't state their own stand.
Yes,
Minister of Health don't state your own stand.
Thank you.
But may I also make you understand one thing. If the state government they proactive from the very start, Ebola for not enter this our Nigeria in the first place. When Ebola news start enter West Africa,
why they
you don't nearly reach a year now. Why every other country they tie rapper, they make sure say look, this is the way they keep people anyhow. Say we don't go need to plan, put things in place, health security in place. But our own governors, our own government can't just sit down. They wait make the disease enter our Nigeria first before they will do something about it. It is wrong.
It don't do.
It is wrong. Make them they proactive.
You they give your points. Not they fire me.
Wait, now I tell you.